Hey lovely people, welcome back to another episode of Stitches Bits Collection. I'm Miss Stitches and today I want to share with you how to make the well-known Shamballa bracelet. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. Cut your cord and find the middle of the long cord and place it about 4 inches, which is 11 centimeters, and tie it just once. So we are going to start making the knots. Take the left cord, place it on the middle cord and pass the right cord under the middle cord and pull it through the loop that has been formed at the left and pull both sides to form the knot. Now you take the right cord, place it on the middle cord and pass the left cord under it and pull it through the loop that has been formed at the right side and pull both sides to form the second knot. Now you take the left cord, place it on the middle cord and pass the right cord under it and pull it through the loop that has been formed at the left side and pull both sides to form the third knot. Now we are going to keep making knots throughout the bracelet, but keep in mind that you have to start from opposite sides after making a knot. After making 7 knots, you fix your round crystal or any kind of beads or crystal you want to use and make 4 knots around the beads or crystal. One, 2, 3, 4. Then you fix your second crystal and make 4 knots around it. So we are going to keep making knots and fixing the beads or crystal in between. We fix the crystal or bead in between after every 4 knots we make. After adding the last crystal, we make 7 knots around it. So it will be equal to the first one we did, the first 7 we did. Fix 1 round bead on each side of the middle cord and tie to prevent the bead from falling. Now with a 12 inches cord, we will make knots like we did before. I have a tutorial on how to make Shamballa bracelets for beginners, which I'll drop in the description box so you can watch if this is a bit faster for you. So we make 8 to 9 knots. Then you cut off excess cord and melt the ends as seen in the video. And as easy as it is, here is your beautiful handmade Shamballa bracelet. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of these tutorials. Please comment and share. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you all and see you in my next video. Bye.